Hi friends, choosing a suitable theme for your e-commerce website is always a challenging task. WP Themes channel makes it easier for you, and in this video I have a wonderful theme called EcoMart, and EcoMart is a all-in-one e-commerce WordPress theme, and it has really all the features available with it which e-commerce website needs, and even it supports multi-vendor and it works with the Elementor and Docker itself. So the EcoMart is going to be a wonderful catch for you if you are in plan for making a website for e-commerce and you have a reason to watch this video until end, as you never know what features are available in the theme before you take a buying decision, and this video will show you all the features available in the theme along with the demo, import, installation and customizations options. And if we talk about the demo websites, so it has already, and people are subscribing my channel, so I believe you have already subscribed, and if you are a new visitor on this channel, you may please subscribe this channel. So I always bring wonderful hand-picked WordPress themes, plugins and utilities for you. So fine, it has 23 predefined home pages in fact, and it will definitely match your requirement. So it is sports and outdoors, toys, kids, electronics and computers, food and grocery, tool and parts, beauty and health, home and furniture, marketplace and clothing and watch jewelry. So I am going to give the link of the demo in the description of video along with the link of my website, so you will be able to get the EcoMart WordPress theme there. Simply click on the link given in the description of this video, and in this video we are going to install the EcoMart WordPress theme in a fresh installation of WordPress. And the EcoMart WordPress theme is actually new and it was developed in last year only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done, and it has got a wonderful number of sales during a year. So we can consider this theme as most stable and liked theme. So EcoMart is all-in-one e-commerce WordPress theme, and if you already have planned the niche you are going to pick for your single product business, and you can choose the most suitable theme for this single product WordPress theme, and you can use the template for toys, kids, electronics, computer, food and grocery as I said. So there are multiple options, and it comes with 23 plus previewed home pages, and it has Docker multi-vendor marketplace and everything is here, so you can choose this theme wisely. And I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the 2021 WordPress theme has been installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have guide, licensing, old version, plugins, wrap slider and EcoMart the new version WordPress theme. And this is old version if you are willing to use the old version. So EcoMart new version is here. So we have to install the EcoMart now, and for this we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose the EcoMart theme.zip. And if you are having direct access on your server, so you can upload the same file directly in WP content themes folder. I am doing the same, it will save some time, and I will be able to show you the theme size as well. So, and the theme size is really very less, it is well optimized and well managed, well coded theme. So it is just having 4.79 in size. So okay, really it is a lightweight theme, and it is going to work fast on the website as well. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, you can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this EcoMart folder in which we got all the theme components, folders and files are here. Now fine, we can delete the zip one, we have already extracted its elements. Okay fine, so we are where to go in the theme section again, And now we have EcoMart as another theme option, and this is EcoMart version 3.5.1. EcoMart is the perfect thing for your next WooCommerce project, and it designed and developed by the WooCommerce core developer. It features a bespoke integration with WooCommerce itself, plus many of the most popular custom-facing WooCommerce extension. Okay, fine. So we can activate it now. And upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins for using this theme. And at this stage, we will go for installing the required plugins. And these are the list of few plugins. In fact, this theme needs very few plugins which are required for running this theme, and I'm choosing to install all the plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any error during the installation process. And all the plugins has been installed in just few seconds. And now we can go back and activate all the installed plugins. And yes, all the plugins has been activated. Now we can simply click on dashboard whether it needs further information on WooCommerce setup page. It may. Yes, it is redirecting to that page which asks certain information about your business, and you have to put all such information. And on this page I am skipping this step because I am just demonstrating this. So you need to fill all the information here. Okay, fine. So we have already installed the theme and plugin itself. So now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugins. And this is the basic look of EcoMart WordPress theme. And this is of course without any demo content. This is why it is looking very core. So okay, so we have to make a target website like any of these. And at this stage we are going to import the demo content. And now I'll find the demo content option. I think setup is here. I'll find the demo importer, theme setup. Okay, let us go to the theme setup. Okay, so setup wizard is here and it must carry the demo content as well. So let us go through the wizard, and I have started install the child theme, and we can install it, no problem. So child theme has been installed, and now we are proceeding to next step, install plugins. And we have already installed all the plugins, so it is fine. Some additional plugins are required. So this is a Smart Quick View, WooCommerce Smart Wishlist, and such things are being installed. Okay, so plugins set has been installed, and now it comes to the demo part. And home one is here, and advanced option says what we need to import, and all the home pages in fact available here. And you can choose any for your website as per your requirement and choice. And I am choosing the first one. This is home one, and importing the demo content now. And now the demo import has been started, and it is showing the percentage progress bar. And it will definitely take some time because it can get connected with the developer website and it downloads the media files as well. So we have to be here without refreshing or leaving the page until it gets complete. And now all has been done, and it is saying that we can view our website. And yes, the wonderful website is here, and the images has not been provided, so only placeholder images has been given. That is not a problem. We are finally going to use our own images. so images are actually not required and rest of things are fine. Shop is working good, and this is home one, so you can choose any of home page available here, and in fact 23 out of 23 you need to select any. This is our website, what we have imported. This is home one, and this is the blog post, and now I'll show you the home page. In fact, so page is what we got in the demo import. I'll show you the theme options as well. So these are the pages which we got in the demo import, and I'm looking for the home page. In fact, so I assume that is not set. In fact, shop page is here. Cart page is here. So demo, my account, orders, simple page, shipping method. Okay, so this is the home one which we imported, and the page should look like this somehow. Blog page is being right here, and amazingly we have not got the home page in the demo content, and it is really amazing for me. We got all the pages but not the home page. I have checked all the pages. So what I'll do, I'll run the setup wizard again, because without home page it is nothing like the, and we will choose another demo. And we'll repeat the process. This should be the home page, but somehow it has content and all things are here, so we have not received this page, so we will choose another one. I will leave, we can choose any of these, and let us choose any others. So home 2, let us assume. It is not so good. Let us check from here. Home 16 can be good if it is available there. Okay, so I am choosing another home, like home 23 is here. I'm just cutting this. So home 23 is here. So this is the home 23, and I'm again importing, and it is going to take another 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so let us check if we got this home page. So it will make sure that okay, so I believe home is not being imported in the demo content somehow, or there is some error like thing, or the developer has intentionally did this. And about page and cart page all are here, but not the home page. It is really amazing. Yes, it is not there. Setup. Again, I'm trying. Already advanced. So after import, content is here. So you have already imported all the content. So it should be there, but I don't know why it is not here. So I'm just skipping this. Return to dashboard. All pages are here. Okay, so I don't know why it is so. And origin licensing guide we can check. Okay, theme active in one click demo. So theme and active, one click demo import. Setup menu, and also things are here. And setup home page is here. So let us see. From your dashboard, navigate all pages, see all pages, click on add new, create a new page. Okay, so one page always include lot of parts like header, main page, navigation, and section. We guide to create main page using Elementor. So okay, so it is really homepage not has been provided. It is for sure now, and I have. It is saying that we have to create the homepage at our own, and this is provided in the guide how to create the homepage using Elementor. So it is really good, but it is amazing for me. So it can be provided. It should be provided, in fact, and on the home page, but not a problem. So what has been given in the theme pack is here with us, and now we have this website. And now I'll show you the theme options what we got in the additional in the installation. And theme setup we have already used, and rest of things are here, and so nothing additional has been given. And we can choose the customize options as theme options, site identity, and rest of things are here. So e-commerce, header, sticky, social, and okay, so it is okay. So there is no theme panel available. It is another amazing thing. Okay, fine. So decision is up to you whether you choose this theme, and I have shown you everything what was available in the theme pack, and rest has been said that we have to use the guide, and you can use the same guide as given in the theme pack itself. I believe this is fine, and you can make a website with this, but it is amazing as well. So homepage should be here, but anyway, so I don't know, we have already installed the EcoMart, and thanks for watching. And I am going to bring wonderful theme plugins and utilities for you in the next videos. Thank you.